I do that, okay, this particular code has error. Now I'll click on debug this code and click on start solving. Okay, once I click on start solving, guys, you can see over here, here is the debug code. Okay, here is the debug code, and debugcode.ai or codedam.com/ai has been able to give you the exact correct code, and it has also given a comment. Okay, hashtag means a comment. Fixed issue, incrementing low, fixed issue, decrementing high. So whatever bug we had created, it has fixed that and has given the correct code for that. How many of you are absolutely mind blown that from today onwards you don't need to spend days or hours of your time in order to debug your code? You will be able to do that with the help of debugcode.ai in a matter of seconds. MB, it's superb, great work. I'm super impressed. Superb, guys, superb. That is how you will be able to debug your codes from today onwards. Okay. Now, one more, guys. While I had started the session, I had asked you that what is the one thing that almost every working professional has to do on a daily basis. Okay. And we worked on creating PowerPoint presentations. What do you think? What is one more thing that almost every working professional has to do on a daily, if not daily, maybe weekly, maybe monthly, whatever it is, you need to do it on a very regular basis? Email, Excel, Word, Excel, email, Excel. Okay. So Excel and reports. Okay. Excel, reports, Excel. I am seeing these options a lot. Okay. How many of you find it too time consuming to do data analysis and create detailed reports out of your data? Let's say if there is a data set which your boss has given you, the boss has asked you to do complete data analysis of that data set, and in fact not just stop over there, but create a detailed report out of it and send it over email. Very time consuming. Agree with me that it is something very time consuming. Yes. Very time consuming. Boring. Yes. Don't you agree with me? Okay, guys. If you find something like this to be very boring, time consuming, okay, you don't need to do it from today onwards. Okay, you can do it in a matter of seconds. How so? With the help of this particular AI tool, which is called as Claude.ai. Okay, how does Claude.ai work? Claude.ai helps you in this particular platform is screened out even more data than ChatGPT. So since it is screened more data than ChatGPT, it can give better results than ChatGPT as well. It gives you real-time information, allows you to upload your files properly, and can be used for completely. And the best part, that as Microsoft has invested $10 billion in OpenAI and ChatGPT, so Microsoft is heavily invested in ChatGPT. Claude is a platform in which Google has invested very heavily. Since Google has invested, Google has very strict data security norms, and that is why your data is absolutely 100% secure once you are using it in Claude as well. Absolutely 100% secure. How does it work? Let's start with the help of a demo. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll simply go to Claude.ai. Okay, I'll simply go to Claude.ai. Let me share the link with you guys in the chat box. Once I go over here, okay, again, I need to create an account for myself free of cost. If you want to use the paid version, you can do that. If you want to create new accounts after a certain time, you can do that as well. Whatever you want, you can do that. Okay, once you do that, you have this add content button. Let's say if your boss has given you a data set and you need to analyze that data set. Okay, so what you do, simply click on add content. Let me do one thing. Let me show the data set to you guys. Okay, let me show the data set to you guys. Okay, I think my screen sharing stopped. I'll show it to you once again. Okay, guys. Hope everyone can see my screen now. Can everyone see my screen once again? Yes? Done. Okay, let's say guys you have an Excel file like this. Okay, let's say you have an Excel file like this which has around 35 different columns. 35 different columns are there. Apart from these 35 different columns, there are around 241. Okay, around 241 different rows, and you need to analyze this entire data set for your boss and in fact create a report out of this data set as well. Okay, so what do you think? How much time will you take in order to do this sort of data analysis and create a report out of it as well? What do you think? How much time will you take? 1 day, 1 to 2 hours, 3 to 4 days, 5 hours, 7 hours, 2 hours, 1 to 2 hours, 1 hour, 1 day. Okay, I see a lot of responses in the chat box. Guys, let's see how much time we will take. Okay, let's see how much time we will take. Okay, I'll go to Claude. Once I go to Claude, I'll upload this data set. Okay, I'll upload this particular data set in Claude, and then I'll tell Claude, analyze this data set and give me key insights from it. Okay, I simply upload the file, I tell Claude analyze this data set and give me key insights from it. I hit a enter, and guys, we wait for a couple of seconds. To see some magic happening on my screen. Okay, guys, you can see over here that Claude has read our data. It has started analyzing our data and in fact started giving us insights from our data as well. Okay, there's a mix of male and female employees. The data set covers employees age 18 to 28, etc., etc. Salaries range from up to 5K, 10 to 15K brackets. Like this, you have been able to analyze your entire data set. Okay, entire data set. So, entire data set has been completely analyzed. In fact, okay, let's say if you want more, numerical data set, you can ask something like, give me more numerical insights. Okay, something like this. And now your data set, like which was giving us, insights which were a bit generic. Now you can see over here, guys. Now you can see over here, you won't get generic ones. Okay, you won't get generic ones. You have gotten, okay, you have gotten complete, okay, complete, you can see over here, complete numerical insights about your entire data set in a matter of seconds. How many of you are absolutely mind blown by this? MB, absolutely mind blown. MB, mind blown. MB. Superb, guys. That is not it. Let's say if you want to create a report out of this data as well. Okay, convert this into an email report, which I can simply copy paste and send to my boss. My boss's name is, let's say, Mukesh Kumar. My name is Aditya Goenka. Okay. If I want to create an email report out of this, I enter something like this and wait for a couple of seconds, because guys, we have been able to convert all of these insights that we generated, okay, into an email report with a subject. Okay, HR Analytics Dataset Inside Reports. Dear Mukesh Kumar, I hope this email finds you well. As requested, I have analyzed the HR Analytics dataset, etc., employee demographics, etc. Basically, analyzed this entire thing, made a email out of it, and sent it as best regards Aditya Goenka, telling the boss I'd be happy to discuss this further. If you require anything else. Basically, made a complete email report out of it. How many of you are mind blown by this? MB. Superb. This is really helpful. How to create a PPT of it. How many of you want to create a PPT report out of it as well? Okay, though Kachave had already showed you that you can create PPTs. Do you want to create a PPT report out of it as well? A PPT report, how you can use, you convert this into a complete PowerPoint presentation. All of this information. Yes, you want to do that? What you will do? You will tell Claude, okay, make this information concise. So that I can, make this information concise so that I can directly use it to make a PPT out of it. Okay, so I asked something like this, and now what is it doing? Like, because in PPT we don't want so many words. Now what is it doing? It is reducing the number of words. It is making all of the information very concise. Okay, once it has made the information very concise, what we'll do? We can copy this. Okay, I'll copy this entire thing and go to our website for creating PPTs once again, which is gamma.app. Okay, I'll go to gamma.app, and inside gamma.app, earlier you had created a new PPT from scratch. Okay, earlier you had created a new PPT right from scratch. Now what you'll do, you'll click on this paste in text. Okay, you'll click on paste in text and then paste the information you got from Claude. Okay, simply paste the information you got from Claude. Since you want to make a presentation, click on presentation, click on continue. Once you click on continue, okay guys, once you click on continue, again click on continue, and now choose a theme for yourself. Okay, choose a theme for yourself. Let's say if you want this theme, or if you want this theme, okay, simply click on this theme, then click on generate, and let's wait for a few seconds, guys. Let's wait for a few seconds. You know, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens now. Okay, guys, boom on the chat box. Okay, boom on the chat box, because our entire presentation on this particular topic, okay, on the HR analytics data set, okay, earlier 3 minutes back, okay, 3 minutes back, or a few minutes back, I'm just telling you a random number, few minutes back, we had this data set with zero analysis of it, okay, with zero analysis done of it, okay. We have converted that into a proper numerical insight report. Okay, we have created a numerical insight report as an email. In fact, we have taken more information from that and created a presentation out of it as well, which contains images which are generated from AI and contains all of the key information which the boss would like to know from you in the presentation. Absolutely mind blown. Type in the biggest MB in the chat box if you're absolutely mind blown by this, by just what I showed you. Data set to PowerPoint presentation, like, guys, data set to PowerPoint presentation in a matter of seconds. Superb. 100, most MB, absolutely mind blown. AMB, AMB, MB, MB, MB. Superb, guys. Okay. Superb. So this way, we were able to convert this data set, into proper reports, into proper email report, PowerPoint report as well, in a matter of seconds. Now, guys, tell me something. Okay, how many of you, once we learned about all of this, how many of you are someone, who really wants to, who really want, applies for a lot of jobs out there, but are not being able to convert a lot of jobs? Like, you feel that you are a very good fit for this particular job, you are applying for it, but still somehow your CV, your resume is not getting selected in that job, and you're not getting called for those interviews. How many of you feel that you have been in such positions in the past, or you are in this position right now? Very apt for the job, you want to get the job is very good, like, you'll be a perfect fit in it, you want to go with it, but somehow your resume always gets rejected. Come on, guys, I want the biggest me in the chat box if you really felt that. Me, 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 me. Okay, guys, perfect. Okay, if you are someone, okay, if you're someone, who faces this particular issue, how can you sort it? With the help of this particular 10x resume hack. This is a hack which I have developed. Okay, I want to share it with you all. How do you go about doing it? Okay, let's say I have this sample resume. Let me show you this sample resume. I have this sample resume with me. Okay, I have this sample resume. Let me use this particular resume. Okay, this is a very, very random resume that I have used, guys. So let's see how do we go about doing that with the help of our, again, of our very favorite, which is ChatGPT. Okay, so I'll again go to ChatGPT. Once I go to ChatGPT, I'll write a prompt. Okay, I'll write a prompt. What will I do? I'll tell ChatGPT that below is my resume. Okay, then inside double inverted commas, I'll put in my resume. Then I'll tell ChatGPT below is the job description that I want to apply for. Okay, then I'll type in the job description that I really want to apply for. And then I'll tell ChatGPT, modify, okay, modify my resume to, okay, I'll tell ChatGPT, modify my resume to make it an ATS friendly. Okay, guys, keyword over here is ATS friendly. ATS friendly means applicant tracking system friendly. Okay, so you need to tell ChatGPT, modify my resume to make it an ATS friendly resume for the above job description that I want to apply for. Guys, is everyone clear with the prompt? Very, very simple. Below is my resume. Over here, I will, just copy paste my resume. Then below is the job description that I want to apply for. So I'll copy paste the job description of the job that I want to apply for. Then I'll modify my resume to make it an ATS friendly resume. Okay, so I'll do this and now I'll fill in the details. Okay, I'll fill in the details. So over here, I will copy paste my resume. Okay, please, okay, please send a prompt. Don't worry about it, guys. I'll send a prompt. Okay, I'll send a prompt to you guys with the notes of the session. Okay, with the notes of the session, I'll be sharing it, but still I'm sharing it once again for you all since you asked for it. Okay, now let me copy this entire resume which I have, the sample resume. I'll paste it over here. Then what I'll do, below is the job description that I want to apply for. So I have taken out a few random jobs, guys, very, very few random jobs, like, let's take any one of them. Okay, I'll take this one. Very random. I'm taking very random job description from LinkedIn. I'll copy this and I'll go to ChatGPT and I'll paste this job description over here. Once I do that, I'll modify my resume to make it an ATS friendly resume for the above job description that I want to apply for. Then I will hit enter. Okay, I will hit enter. Once I do that, guys, now my resume, which was very, very normal and which would have failed if I would, which would have not been selected if I would have applied for this particular job. Now my resume has been modified. Okay, is being modified completely in a manner that it becomes ATS friendly for this particular job that I'm applying for. And now my resume, this is something which I copy and paste, like, if I use this particular resume, okay, if I use this particular, but you're using GPT-4, it will work perfectly fine in 3.5 in the free version as also. Okay, I'll show it to you guys. Okay, don't worry about it. Okay, so it will work completely fine in the free version as well. Okay, if you use the 4.0 version, of course, it is faster and, it is connected to the internet and everything. So it helps. But if you do not have it, if you have the free version, you can use the free version and it will work fine for that. Just that it is not connected to the internet and, like 4 version is, faster and all as well. Okay. So using the free version, we have gotten this ATS friendly resume, which which if you use, you will pass the ATS test and you will be able to crack it. That is how awesome this is. How many of you are mind blown by this particular feature of, this particular hack, which we developed in order to create ATS friendly resumes? MB. Awesome. Super MB. ATS
Absolutely, absolutely.
applicant tracking system.
All right. So folks, by the way, like how much productivity boost did you feel after the session? Like just learning just tip of the iceberg, how much productivity boost did you feel? Is it 1x? Is it 2x? Is it 10x? Is it 100x? What is it? 100x, 10x, 100x, 100x, 10x, 100x, 1 millionx. Wow, wow, absolutely love energy. Oh, absolutely love your energy. All right. So far, what we have studied and like we went from zero knowledge to like knowledge of prompt engineering and AI tools, and that also like just by seeing the tip of the iceberg. What have we studied? We studied like how we studied fundamentals of prompt engineering, ChatGPT. Right. After that, we saw like how you can create presentations end to end from by AI, research part, outline part, design part, everything done by AI. Right. After that, we saw like how you can gain all the knowledge in the world, maybe research papers, maybe newspapers behind the paywall for absolutely free of cost, so that you will be having level playing field with large companies which are developing this model because they have access to all the knowledge. Even you should be having it so that level playing field will be there. All right. After that, we saw how you can summarize all the content, all the like you can generate replies, or you can summarize YouTube videos as well by using Berlin Chrome extension. Right. After that, we saw like how you can create AI generated images for your next presentation so that when your boss is going to see that, you're going to get promoted. Right. After that, we saw like how you can create your how you can get your personalized AI free speech coach. By the way, folks, when I used the speech coach for myself, it costed me 30,000 rupees for every single month, right? And you can use a speech coach which is better than any speech coach out there for absolutely free of cost, right? That's how powerful AI is, right? After that, we saw like how you can generate any kind of code by using AI without having any prior knowledge in coding, right? We saw like how you can debug codes as well by using AI, and that also in matter of seconds, right? After that, we saw like how you can analyze things in Claude.ai. After that, we saw like how you can increase chance of receiving call from recruiter by using ATS method, which is applicant tracking system optimized resume method, right? For particular job description. By the way, folks, after learning just tip of the iceberg, how many people's work do you feel that you'll be able to do from going onward, like from tomorrow onwards? How many people's work do you think you'll be able to do by just using this 5-6 tools? How many people's work do you think you'll be able to do while you're working, right? 10 people, 10 people, 3 people, right? In your team, let's say right now there are like 10 members in your team. How many people's work you'll be able to do going forward? 3 people, 4 people, 4 people at least, 5 people, all of them. I think it will save me a lot of time. 4 to 5 people, 5 people, right? So the folks, exact same thing is happening right around you. Exact same thing. Even companies have realized exact same thing. Companies are implementing for themselves, and they are laying off like people left, right, and center, right? So now, do you understand the true potential AI in your day-to-day work? Now, do you understand the true potential of AI for your day-to-day tasks and works? Yes or no? Yes. Now, do you understand how AI can easily take over most of your work and how you will be out of job if you do not master it? Let's say you're using all these methods and your colleague doesn't know anything, like he's still doing everything manually. He's taking 8 to 9 hours for doing the work, which you are taking just 8 to 10 minutes, right? Just see the data. In no time, that colleague is going to get out of job because that colleague hasn't upskilled himself or herself, right? Now, do you understand why prompt engineers, which is like basically art of talking to AI, like getting best outcome out of AI, right? Who have skill of talking to AI, getting paid above 17 LP in India, and abroad they are getting paid 2 crore rupees. Now, do you understand like why prompt engineers are getting paid so much? Yes. Now, do you realize how important it is for you to master most in-demand technologies in order to not to just survive in 21st century job market, but also grow in your career and grow your salary exponentially? Now, do you realize by mastering all the tools, let's say you are able to do work of 4 people, what is your boss going to do? Your boss is going to fire 3 people and he is going to give you or she is going to give you that salary hike, right? This is not talking in clear, like you can see right around you. You can see right around you, right? So people like companies are laying off people left, right, and center, right? People just like you and me, right? They are getting laid off left, right, and center. You need to learn AI right now, or be ready to lose your job and get replaced by AI. No matter which department you're working in, right? If you do not learn AI, you can see like even Microsoft has laid off people. Workers are losing their job, and post this thing like AI is killing them. After that, Goldman Sachs has predicted like more than 300 million jobs, right? 300 million jobs are going to get disrupted because of AI. Even JPMC has laid off people, right? They have laid off 500 people, right? Not only small companies, right? MNCs have started laying off as well. MNC have laid off 2.6 lakh people since 2023. Currently, we are in 2024, and MNCs have laid off more than 2.6 lakh people, right? Since 2023. Small startups, they have fired more than 6,000 people in October to December of 2022, and 4,000 in January 2023 alone, right? And currently, they are going up, and layoffs have become so common that people are not even covering, like news outlets are not even covering layoffs. Why? Because it has become so common, right? But it is not that common, right? Why this is happening at this space? Because AI is disrupting everything left, right, and center, right? If you think like your job is like coders and developers, just see most coders in India will lose their job in a year or 2. This is an article from Yahoo, right? In accounting and finance people. AI is taking over accounting and finance job. Companies are replacing human employees, right? After that, marketers, nearly 4,000 marketers will lose their job in the month of May, right? HR professional, IBM CEO wants to replace firm's HR roles with AI, right? You can see like each and every profession, not even doctors are scared, right? AI won't replace doctors, but doctors who do not use AI are going to get replaced. Lawyers and legal professionals, lawyers think AI will never replace them, but here they might be wrong, right? Each and every working professionals are getting impacted because of AI. It is not like your job is not going to get impacted. Every white collar job is going to get impacted. Goldman Sachs has predicted 300 million jobs are going to get impacted. JP Morgan has said Indian IT industry is going to get upside down, like completely disrupted because of AI. Every white collar job is going to get disrupted, right? Blue collar jobs, we thought like blue collar jobs will be the first getting disrupted by a manual work. Factory work is going to get disrupted by AI, but exactly opposite is happening, right? White collar jobs, all the white collar jobs, all the coding jobs, all the white collar jobs are getting disrupted by AI, right? Not only if you think like only entry level people are getting losing their jobs, you are absolutely wrong, right? Major Chinese gaming companies replace their CEO, right? Major Chinese gaming company replace their CEO with AI, and it is going fantastically for them. Just imagine, like not only entry level people, but top notch people who are at top of their game, they are also getting replaced by AI, right? No one is spared by this AI, right? We are entire generation of people who are working in jobs which are not going to exist without AI in upcoming 12 to 15 months, right? Because whatever you are working on, whatever you are thinking about working in, whatever career you want to start, everything is having AI in it, right? If you integrate AI, you can work 10 times faster as compared to people who are not integrating it, and you can be 10 times more efficient as well, right? So people, whoever is working right now, you need to implement AI in whatever you're working. Otherwise, you are going to be out of your job soon, right? Why? Because if you try to compete with AI, you are going to lose, and it is because AI is smarter than us, AI is faster than us, and AI is cheaper than us. Makes sense, everyone? Like AI is smarter. We have seen that AI is faster. AI knows everything. AI is faster than us, and AI is also cheaper than us, right? But is it everything dark? No, it is not dark. Why? Because it is not AI replacing people, right? If you work with AI, if you use AI for your own advantage, if you get that unfair advantage of AI, then you are going to win. Why? Because AI is not replacing people directly. A person using AI, right? You are not going to get replaced by AI. A person who is using AI is going to replace you, right? Because a person using AI will be able to do like 5-6 people's work single-handedly. That person is going to get that salary hike. That person is going to get all the perks. That person is going to stay in high demand. And people who are not able to implement and integrate AI, they are just going to become like horse cars, which are going to go extinct, and just new cars are going to come, right? So that is happening in job market right now, right? So if you use ChatGPT, artificial intelligence, prompt engineering, you can learn and use ChatGPT, AI, and prompt engineering for for your day-to-day work and work automation, right? After that, you can use it for your research work. You can use it for your PPT work. You can use it for your Excel work. You can use it for coding and debugging. You can use it for management and team leadership. You can use it for writing and designing, and you can use it for each and everything, right? Basically, each and everything, and you can use it for data analysis as well, right? So now, in order to like survive in this AI-driven job market, and in order to like upskill yourself in AI-driven job market, what you need to master? The first and most important skill, which is not going to go out of demand, is basically the skill of Microsoft Excel. So you should master basic to advanced Microsoft Excel, which includes 60 hidden formulas, like which we have discovered by talking to lot many working professional VPs, HRs, and after that like managers, CEOs of the company. The most advanced 60 formulas like you need to master in order to become like ninja of Excel. You need to master advanced pivot tables. You need to master 30 plus data visualization technique. You need to master all the functions and tools, and you need to master macros and automations in Excel, right? And earlier, if you wanted to use macros in Excel, it used to take you like at least 2-3 months to learn, and after that 2-3 months of practice before like implementing it, right? But after the rise of AI, you can use macros in Excel in just matter of days, not in matter of months, right? We have seen with coding, same thing is happening with macros as well. You can use macros in Excel in matter of days, right? So that you should be doing right now, right? After that, you should be also mastering Power BI, which is the #1 business intelligence tool in the world, right? Power BI developers are getting better salaries than MBA grads. If you see other salaries of Power BI developers in India, they are getting paid upwards of 19 to 20 LPA, right? And if you know how to create AI-driven dashboard, AI-powered dashboards in Power BI, you are going to be absolutely high in demand. Why? Because there are many openings of Power BI developers, but not that many people have this skill. Not that many people are certified in this skill. After that, on top of that, what you should be learning, the most important skill of all is basically skill of presentation, right? How to create interactive presentation looking just like this, insightful presentation just like this. Because if you are someone who is going to create presentation, you will be in the upper circle of your company, right? You will be coordinating with your managers, AVPs, vice presidents, and they will be asking you to create this kind of presentation. Or if you are someone who is working in this role, you'll be able to create this kind of presentations and save a lot of time for yourself, right? So you should master the art of presentation as well, right? After that, what people say that like whenever gold rush is there, go for selling shovels, right? If there is gold rush is happening, do not go for looking for gold, just sell shovels, right? When you sell shovels, when there is gold rush, you are going to make most amount of money. Similarly, when everyone is like developing this AI models, if you run behind that and if you try to like develop this AI models, you might not be like you might not be able to like reach that level, but what is required to manage huge amount of data? Like all the AI models, they are trained on huge, tremendous amount of data, right? And what is required for managing all this like tremendous amount of data? It is basically structured query language, right? So if you master structured query language, SQL developers are getting paid support of 20 LP, right? Why? Because they are so much high in demand. Why? Because everyone wants to develop their AI model, and for managing data, SQL developers are required, right? So you should be mastering SQL as well. So if you master SQL, you are never going to be out of skills, and you are never going to be you won't be struggling for getting a new job, right? So now. Who would like to learn all of this directly from us, become an AI-powered working professional, and ultimately grow exponentially in your career? Drop in me in the chat box if you want to learn all of these skills which I just mentioned, right? Drop in me in the chat box if you want to master all of these skills which I just mentioned directly from us, right? Directly from us, everything like latest version of that also AI-powered, right? Me. Yes, very interested. Absolutely. Yes. Me, Aditya. Absolutely. So guys, presenting to you, by mastering those skills, you won't be just certified from us, you'll be certified from Microsoft as well. You'll be a certified Microsoft PowerPoint associate, you'll be a certified Microsoft data analyst, you'll be a certified Microsoft expert, you'll be a certified Office specialist, you'll be a Microsoft certified expert. On top of that, you are going to get certification from Microsoft as associate as well. Just imagine like whatever certification I'm going to give you, that certification will be relevant in India. But Microsoft certificate, it works in whole world, right? As a part of my program, you're also going to get all these certifications as well. Presenting to you folks, basic to advanced ChatGPT, basic to advanced AI and prompt engineering, basic to advanced Power BI, SQL, Excel, basic to advanced Tableau, basic to advanced PowerPoint masterclass. In this masterclass, you are going to master and get certified on Microsoft. Not only that, you are going to master most in-demand skills for the present and for the data-driven future and for the AI-driven future. And the best part, you do not need any kind of prior knowledge. Everything we are going to start from zero, and we are going to take it to expert level. Let's say you're already working in Excel for 10 years. Doesn't matter. Like our advanced modules are going to help you to make you more advanced, like to fine tune your things, to integrate AI in whatever you're working, right? So even if you have no prior knowledge, if you have zero knowledge, doesn't matter. You are going to get most out of this program. Why? Because our program is designed in such a way that you can go from zero to best in the world level by following the footstep of the program, right? After that, as a part of this mastery program, I want you to get best software as possible so that you can try them out and you can use it for your advantage. So that's why you're going to get a premium GPT plus 4 subscription. On top of that, you're going to get the most advanced Office 365 subscription as well as part of this mastery program for absolutely free of cost, so that you'll be learning 10x faster, you'll be implementing all these things 10x faster. All right. As a part of this master program, you are going to get a salary hike of 60,000 rupees to 1.3 lakh rupees every single month. 262 of my students. 262 is, by the way, the old number. Currently, I have 300 plus students who have got these kind of results in past 3 months, right? Not only that, you're as a part of this program, you are going to get a high-paying job more than 18 LPA, right? What do we call a job? High-paying job, which is basically the job which is more than 18 LPA, right? Without 100% in-house guaranteed job assistance, right? Without 100% in-house job assistance, guaranteed job assistance, right? By mastering all the skills which are in demand, right? Why? Because we are teaching people what are the skills of the future, right? Whatever skills were there in past, we are not concerned about that. We are just concerned about whatever skills are going to come in the future, right? So by mastering all these skills, our alumni are working in companies like Amazon, Google, Accenture, Meta, Capgemini, Goldman Sachs, Microsoft, KPMG, Deloitte, emphasis on average salaries of upwards of 20-25 LPA, right? So what is the main expense that we do as our organization? We have many top-notch HRs, right? HRs who are vice president HR, who are like who are there in like international meetings. We get them on board as a freelancer, right? We get consulting from them, and what do we ask them on weekly basis? We conduct meeting with at least like 5-6 HR from top-notch firms, and we ask them like what is happening in your top-notch meetings, right? What is happening in the international meeting? What is the thing your boss is going to expect in upcoming 3 months, right? Whatever skill they are going to they are expecting people to have, whatever AI-driven skill they are expecting people to have. We create content around that, right? Let's say that much learnings are there in the market. Only this much learnings are going to create 80% of the impact, right? We are just focused on this much, right? You have seen like how just a small skill of presentation, right? So a small skill of presentation. You have seen when you integrate AI, you are going to outclass the best presentation creator in your office, right? The best presentation, the best PPT guy in your office. If that guy is taking 7 to 8 hours to create that presentation, you are going to create that better presentation that guy in just a matter of 10 to 20 minutes, right? Why? Because you are integrating AI. Similarly, when you learn all these skills which are AI driven, you'll be taking a gun to sword fight, right? You'll be taking a gun to sword fight. Why my students are getting guaranteed results? Because let's say if there is a person who is like proficient in Excel and who is working in Excel for past 15 years, and there is my student who knows how to use AI functions of Excel, how to use integrate AI in Excel. My student who can integrate AI in Excel is going to outclass this person who has like 15-20 years of experience in a particular skill. Why? Because AI is creating that kind of level field, right? AI is creating that kind of impact. And we, whatever like things that we have included in the program, we have integrated, we have collaborated with HR. We understood like what is required in the program and what should we should be adding. And because of that, whatever there's more demand in industry for whatever we are teaching than the supply, right? And by learning and implementing whatever we have in the masterclass, you are going to get these 2 kinds of results in guaranteed way, right? I'm so confident on my program. Right? If you integrate whatever you are learning out of this program, if you learn and implement that, you are going to get minimum. I'm talking about minimum, not even maximum, right? You are going to get minimum 40% salary appraisal in your current job with upgraded designation. What do I mean by upgraded designation? Let's say you're currently working as manager. Whatever your upper level management, like if your next level is senior manager, you are going to get that promotion of senior manager or AVP, right? Or let's say your company is not providing you that salary appraisal, you are going to get better job with higher salary package than your current job, right? And why do I say so? Because we have fine-tuned our program so much that by collaborating with HRs, that we know exactly like what is required in the industry. Like there is huge demand for whatever skills that we are teaching, whatever AI integrated skills that we are teaching, right? And I'm so confident on that. Are you guys ready to get mind blown? I'm so confident on that. If you do not get one of these 2 results, I do not want your money, right? When you learn and implement the things out of masterclass, you are either going to get 40% salary appraisal on your current job, or you are going to get a higher job offer, a higher salary package offer from your current job, right? Or you do not pay me anything, right? Or you do not pay me anything. I'm going to give you a 100% money back guarantee on my program. I have that kind of condition on my program. Whoever in my past batches have joined my program, learned and implemented all the skills, 99% of my students have gotten the results, right? So you need to learn and implement and get the results. I'm so confident you're going to get 100% money back if you do not get these results. All right. So who is this masterclass for? a working professional who is waiting to get 18 plus LPA job.
Okay, I think his internet might have gotten fluctuated. No worry about it. Let me just share the information with you all. Okay, chal, done. Let me share my screen. You all can see my screen as well? Yes? Perfectly. Okay, guys. As we were mentioning, who is this masterclass for? If you're a working professional who's earning less than 18 LPA in your job right now, with the help of this particular masterclass, you can get a job above 18 LPA in the next 2 months. That too in a guaranteed manner. Absolutely guaranteed. If you do not get it, we give you your money back. Okay. Or if you're a working professional, okay, who wants to stick around in your same job, who's let's say earning more than 18 LPA, you want to stick around in your same job and you want to get a minimum 40% salary appraisal in your current company with a promotion as well. This particular masterclass is for you. Or let's say if you're a fresher, okay, and you do not want to start off your career with a very basic salary, like most students in India start their career with a very basic salary of 4 LPA or something like that. Okay, so if you are a fresher who do not want to start with 4 LPA, but a minimum 10 LPA plus salary at the start of your career itself, this particular masterclass is for you. And if you're someone who wants to basically, get a guaranteed, okay, you want to get an absolutely guaranteed job with the help of a guaranteed job assistance program, this particular masterclass will help you get that a job between 17 LPA to 24 LPA via the company tie-ups that we have built. Okay, irrespective of your age, like you could be in your 20s, in your 30s, in your 40s, in your 50s, in your 60s, or in your 70s as well. This particular masterclass will be super helpful to you, irrespective of your background. Like you could be from science, from commerce, from arts, irrespective of the department that you're working in. This particular masterclass will be super helpful to each and everyone. Okay, now talking about how is it that we are going to be covering all of this. How is it that we are going to be training you to get such sort of offers because of the content of the program? So guys, what are the things that we have covered in the program? Firstly, we have started off with learning. We'll be starting off with learning everything about how will you, basically how to talk to AI. The A to Z of prompt engineering is something that you will be learning in the first course. Okay, what is prompt engineering? It is the art of talking to AI. So you'll be learning all of this right from scratch because prompt engineering will be the highest paying AI job. This is not me saying, this is the World Economic Forum which has said that. Okay, so we'll be learning everything about prompt engineering, right from basics, prompt framework, prompt priming, prompt iteration, teach me prompt, ask for advice prompt, write like me prompts. All of this we'll be learning in the first course, because as I mentioned, if you go to Google and you search for prompt engineering salaries, guys, you will find Forbes article, stating AI prompt engineers earning $300,000 salary. Now I know this is something that this is something that you can expect in the US. In India, don't expect 2.5 crores of salary. In India, you can expect salaries of around 17 LPA for freshers as well. Okay. Once we learn everything about this in the first module, we'll be moving on to the second course. The second course is all about how you can integrate AI for any sort of office work you have. Okay, guys, so we learned today how you can use AI for Excel, for coding, for PowerPoint presentations, for, let's say, if you want to summarize any text, summarize any YouTube video. All of this we learned in today's session. Okay, we learned the fundamentals of it, how we can use AI to do more advanced stuff in it. We'll be learning this in the second course, how we can use AI for doing any sort of work. You could be into any department like civil engineering, any department or anything. Okay, you could be working anywhere and you can utilize AI. AI is that advanced that you can use AI in order to get all of this sort of work done in a very fast manner. So how to go about it, we'll be learning in the second course. Okay, once we do this, we'll be moving on to the third course where we'll be learning how we can use AI to do any sort of research work, any sort of project work, any sort of client work with the help of AI, like how to generate ideas with the help of AI, fact checking with the help of AI, information curation with the help of AI, validation of information with the help of AI, discussion initiator with the help of AI, market research using AI, competitor analysis using AI, how to write product details using AI. All of this you'll be learning in the third course. Once we do that, we'll be moving on to the fourth course, which is the fourth course, guys. One of the most important courses of this particular masterclass. Why so? Because no school, no degree, no college in the world would have taught you something like this. What am I talking about? I am talking about the art of salary negotiation. Yes, guys. So in the fourth course, you will be learning how you can do job hunting to get a minimum 40% salary hike using AI. Over in this particular course, you'll be learning the art of salary negotiation, how you can use AI to determine your extra market worth, networking the right way, how you can use AI to create more and more, basically we learned a way how we can create ATS friendly resumes today. Okay, then, we'll be learning more and more about it in the fourth course, one of the most important courses. Once we do that, we'll be moving on to the fifth course, which is all about learning coding without having any sort of coding background. We can learn coding, that too with the help of AI. Basically, how to generate codes, how to debug codes, how to write functions, how to convert code, everything about it, even without having any sort of prior knowledge in coding. You'll be learning this in the fifth course. Once we do that, we'll be moving on to the sixth course. Again, guys, in 2024, if you're someone, who is just having one source of income, let me tell you something, you cannot be doing something more wrong. In 2024, it is the need of the hour for each and every person to have at least two sources of income. Imagine there is any macroeconomic condition which happens, anything which happens, okay, you will need to have at least two sources of income in order to protect yourself, in order to protect your family from any sort of financial distress. So how to create a second source of income for yourself, that is exactly what I'll be teaching you in the sixth course. Once we do that, we'll be moving on to the seventh course, which is all about how to create a personal brand for yourself, that too again with the help of AI. Okay, and that is something that you'll be able to do it in just 45 days. Okay, I was able to go from 0 followers on LinkedIn to 20,000 followers on LinkedIn in just 7 months. Like, I think it is more now, it has crossed 20,000, much more than that. So I have been able to do that in the last 7 months, and I'll be teaching you how you can do that as well, how to create a personal brand for yourself. Why is it important, you might be wondering, guys? Because if you create a personal brand for yourself, you will have recruiters reaching out to you. Okay, you won't have to reach out to recruiters like as in my personal LinkedIn right now, guys. I can show you. I have recruiters from Goldman Sachs. I have recruiters from various companies coming to me and approaching me for jobs. But I do not want to do that. You can also get that once you build a personal brand for yourself with the help of AI. Once we do this, we'll be moving on to the eighth course, which is unlocking your 10x efficiency using the latest AI hacks. And again, basically the world of AI is, evolving very fast, and it is very important for us to stay updated. That is exactly what we'll be doing in this eighth course. Once we do all of this, guys, we can call ourselves, okay, we can call ourselves a true chat GPT and AI expert. In fact, we'll be getting certified in it as well. You'll be getting a certificate for the same. You will be getting a badge as a chat GPT AI expert. You'll be getting a badge as a prompt engineering expert as well. Okay, all of this we'll be learning after, till the first 8 courses. But that is not it. For us, like, after getting all of this information from the network of HRs that we have built over the last couple of years, like, this is not it. As Kachabe had mentioned to you guys, apart from learning everything about AI, you should be learning everything about Microsoft Excel as well. And that is what we'll be doing in the 9th course. You'll be learning everything about right from basics of formulas to advanced formulas, learning everything right from basics to advanced formulas, basically the 60 plus most advanced formulas in Microsoft Excel right from scratch. I'm talking about management formulas, financial formulas, lookup formulas, array formulas, split formulas, forecasting formulas, dynamic formulas. All of this you'll be learning in the 9th course. Once you do that, we'll be moving on to the 10th course, which is all about data visualization. Now, guys, in your office, if you're someone who wants to be a differentiator, who wants that, the extra salary hike in your office and wants to be different from your peers, you cannot be just relying on those column charts, bar charts every single time. You need to show very good looking data. You need to have good data visualization skills. So in this 10th course, I'll be teaching you how you can be different and create scatter plots, tree map charts, sunburst chart, waterfall charts, dynamic drop-down charts, heat maps, slope charts. All of this you'll be learning in the 10th course. Once we do that, we'll be moving on to the 11th course, which is all about Excel pivot tables mastery course. Pivot tables is one way via which you can do any sort of data analysis in Excel, and that is why it is very important for all of us to learn that. We'll be learning it right from scratch till advanced, and that too we'll be doing 4 mega case studies in this as well. Yes, guys, as a part of the entire masterclass, we'll be covering more than 40 case studies. Okay, and in this particular 11th course itself, we'll be having 4 mega case studies on how to use pivot tables, how to make advanced pivot tables in Microsoft Excel. Once we do that, in the 12th course, we'll be learning everything about Office 365. Now, guys, Why is it important? Because 68% of the world's best 500 companies, okay, 68% of the Fortune 500 companies have already shifted to Microsoft Office 365. Okay, and that is why, like, every other company in the world, like the remaining 32%, and every other company, they all will be shifting to Office 365, and they'll be asking their employees to either upskill in Office 365, or they'll be simply replacing you with people who know the skill of using Microsoft Office 365 very well. So all of this you'll be learning in the 12th module. In fact, guys, I do not want software to be an issue for you all. That is why I will be giving this particular software, which is Office 365, for completely free to you all, so that you can learn without having software as an issue. This particular Microsoft Office 365, guys, itself, if you go to the market, okay, I'll just show it to you. If you go to Microsoft's website and try to buy Microsoft Office 365, you will see that it charges you 6,200 plus taxes, basically 7,000 rupees every single year in order to get Microsoft Office 365. I'm not going to be giving it to you for completely free along with the masterclass, so that your learning is not hampered. Once you do this, we'll be moving on to the 13th course, which is all about Excel, macros, VBA, and automation inside Microsoft Excel. Now, guys, this is our guarantee, absolute guarantee, that you will be able to use this 13th course, basically all about macros and everything, to turn 4 to 5 hours of your work into just 15 minutes in an absolute guaranteed manner. Okay, so that is our guarantee, absolutely our guarantee to you all. You'll be able to do that, and that is what I'll be teaching you in the 13th course, that too with the help of AI. Once we do this, we can call ourselves a true Excel expert. In fact, we'll be getting certified as an Excel specialist. Moreover, you'll be getting certified as a Microsoft Office specialist Excel expert. Now, guys, this is the highest level of certification that you can achieve as a Excel specialist, as an Excel expert. This is the highest level of certification. Less than 10,000 people in India have this sort of a certification. I'll be showing you in this masterclass how you can become someone like this, which has global recognition. Okay. Once we do this, we'll be moving on to the 14th course, learning everything about Power BI, right from basics, absolutely right from basics, even without having any sort of prior knowledge about Power BI. What is Power BI? One of the best softwares which Microsoft has created, via which you can create beautiful looking dashboards, beautiful looking interactive dashboards. Basically, you have boring looking raw data, you can convert it into beautiful looking interactive dashboards with the help of Power BI. We'll be learning this without having any prior knowledge, prior tech knowledge or experience, to learning everything about advanced Power BI as well, where we'll be learning how to create AI powered, Power BI dashboards also. Once we do this, we can call ourselves a true Power BI expert. In fact, we'll be getting certified as a Power BI expert, and also be getting certified as a Microsoft Certified Power BI Data Analyst Associate. Highest level of certification which you can achieve as a Power BI expert. Once we do this, we'll be moving on to the 16th and the 17th course, learning everything right from basics of creating a PowerPoint presentation to advanced PowerPoint presentation. In fact, using AI in order to create our presentation, very, very detailed presentation for our office. All of this you'll be learning. Why is it important? Because if you're someone who wants to rise up the hierarchy, if you want to become a manager, a senior manager, VP, AVP, director of your company, you need to have the skill of creating beautiful looking presentations. That is something that you can achieve with the help of the 16th and 17th course. Once we do this, we can call ourselves a true PowerPoint expert. You'll be getting certified in it as a PowerPoint expert, also getting certified as a Microsoft Office Specialist PowerPoint Associate, the highest level of certification you can achieve as a PowerPoint expert. Once we do this, we'll be learning everything about structured query language. Again, right from basics, no prior knowledge required at all, to advanced structured query language in order to manage a company's data. Why is it important? Because data is the new oil, and within the next 8 to 12 months, I can guarantee you this will be one of the highest paid skill which recruiters would be looking for, to manage a company's data. That is why we'll be learning all about this in the 18th and 19th module, to call ourselves a true SQL expert. In fact, we'll be showing you how you can become a Microsoft certified expert on the same as well. So guys, in total, we have 19, okay, not one, not two, but 19 learnings in one single masterclass, 19 courses in one single masterclass, to make you a ChatGPT and AI expert, prompt engineering expert, Excel specialist, PowerPoint expert, Power BI specialist, and even an SQL expert. All of this in one single masterclass. Now, you might be wondering, Aditya, all of this sounds great, but I cannot take out 3 hours of my time every single day in order to learn like this. Guys, I completely understand your problem. As a working professional, it is not possible for you to take out 3 hours of your time every single day. I'm not even expecting that. Okay. So this is a masterclass which has been made for working professionals by a working professional itself. Okay. So I know your problems, and that is why in this masterclass, I'm not going to be expecting you to spend 3 hours every single day. You will have video lessons which you can watch at your convenience. Okay. Self-paced video lessons which you can watch at your convenience whenever you have the time, at morning, at afternoon, with your snacks, post dinner, like before sleeping time, whenever you have the time, you can watch these lessons at your convenience. Bite sized, very, very interesting format lessons, something which will keep you engaged. That is how interesting we have made the modules to be. Okay. Along with the video lessons, guys, in this masterclass, I did not want to add a lot of fluff. I did not want to, add 300 hours of content, 400 hours of content like any other platform, which you can never finish. I know as a working professional, it is not possible to invest 3 hours of our time, 300 hours of our time in order to, learn everything. It is just not possible. It does not happen. That is why I do not want you to go through it in this masterclass. I have just kept very, very relevant, specific content so as to help you get the maximum, fastest results in the best possible time. What do I mean? You will be needing to spend just 40 minutes a day. Yes, guys, just 40 minutes a day for 40 days in order to get the fastest results. And this 40 days, you need not be continuous. You can start, you can stop, you can pause at any point. Like, let's say if you want to take break, if you have a project work, you want to take 5 days of break, you can do that. If you have a vacation planned or a holiday planned, you can take breaks in between so that, you can continue the learning whenever you get the time again. That is how convenient we have made the masterclass. In fact, let's say if you cannot start right away, if you want to start after 2 months or after 4 months, you can do the masterclass after 2 months, after 4 months as well. I'll tell you something. I am there with you. Do not worry about it. Okay, along with it, guys, in this particular session, it was not possible for me, for Kachave, to take, all your questions. It is just simply not possible because of the number of people, who are attending right now. So for you all, in this masterclass, we wanted to provide you personal guidance. So for that, we have kept 52 weekly live doubt solving sessions, which will be conducted every single week to help you get personal guidance in this masterclass. Along with it, guys, I know that in your family, you would have your wife, your, basically any other family member as well, who would like to, who would like to grow in their career along with you. So in this masterclass, I've not just kept it for you. This masterclass, you can share with your family members as well for completely free. So 1 plus 7 more members. Okay. So you along with 7 more members can get this masterclass at just one single registration fee itself. Okay. So you can share it. Yeah.
Folks, so I'll tell a story behind like why did we get this offer, right? So there was one of our students, Satish Kumar, right? He was Power BI developer. After joining the master program, he got 60% salary, right? He saw the power inside my mastery program, right? So he he sent us the email like, Aditya, I want to buy this for my wife as well. Can you please send me the payment link? I told him like, man, you are already part of our family, so like let me give it to your wife for free of cost. His wife also got with this, right? She was she had her completed a BTech and all, but she discontinued her corporate life after having her first child, right? His wife also got with it. She also resumed her work, and I got this request again and again and again, right? So that's why we thought like, if you guys are going to become part of our family, so let us do something for your family as well. So not only you, but 7 members from your family you can give access to, so that you can learn together, get results together, and we can become AI literate. All right.
Okay, guys, perfect. So this was about the family thing. Along with it, you get lifetime updates and lifetime access to the entire program. Okay. So let's say if you want to rewatch the lessons after 1 year, after 2 years, after 5 years, you can do that. You'll be getting complete lifetime access. Moreover, let's say if Microsoft Office, comes with some latest version, like after Office 365, it comes with a new version. So you'll be getting that as well. Complete lifetime updates to all the lessons as well. Along with it, you will not be just getting certified by us. You'll be getting certified by Microsoft as a Microsoft certified expert. Why is this important? Because guys, our certificates will be limited to just India only. We want all of you to be capable for the entire world. Okay. And that is why this Microsoft certified expert certification will help you. This is a globally recognized certificate. So if you want to apply for a job in the US, in Singapore, in Australia, in Dubai, you can do that with the help of the certification. And that is what you'll be getting along with the masterclass. Along with it, guys, we did not want to, we know that it is not possible for us to take hundreds and thousands of students in order to get them results. That is why in this masterclass we'll be taking a specific batch of 30 students only. These 30 students, once they learn and implement, they will be getting guaranteed results. Okay, yeah, guys, I'm talking about absolutely guaranteed results, or they do not need to pay. Learn, implement, and get guaranteed results, or I will not charge you. Basically, 100% money back guaranteed with the masterclass. Okay, and for these 30 people that I'm talking about, okay, that is not it. For these 30 people who are going to be a part of my batch, I'm going to be adding 6 insanely special bonuses for you all as well. Okay, 6 insanely special bonuses for these 30 people. These 30 people would be able to save around 1.5 lakhs. Okay, guys, 1.5 lakhs in software cost in the next couple of minutes itself. What do I mean by that? So guys, be ready. If you're someone who wants to be a part of first 30, be absolutely ready. I'm going to be sharing the registration link, and I'll accept only the first 30 people who will be getting all of these software costs as well. What are these 6 insanely special bonuses I'm talking about? Bonus number 1, okay, you will be getting the premium GPT Plus subscription. Okay, GPT Plus or GPT-4, which is connected to the internet. Okay, GPT-4 you will be getting along with the masterclass, not for 1 month, not for 2 months, but for 24 months in total. Okay, if you check out GPT's pricing, guys, it costs you $20 every single month. Okay, $20 every single month. So 1,700 rupees every single month. I'm saving it to you for the next 24 months. So basically saving you $480 or 40,000 rupees in total. Okay, saving you 39,840 or 40,000 rupees just via this bonus number 1, which will help you get connected to the internet with the help of GPT Plus. Again, cannot give it to everyone. So only for the first 30 people. What is bonus number 2? Bonus number 2 is you will be getting premium Microsoft Office 365 subscription as well. Yes, guys, premium Microsoft Office 365 subscription, which I showed you, costs 6,200 rupees every single year. Now, guys, Microsoft Office 365, you might be wondering why is it so special? Because this is the latest version of Microsoft Office in which the Excel of this Microsoft Office 365, the Word of this Microsoft Office 365, the PowerPoint presentation of this Microsoft Office 365, all of these softwares are AI enabled. Okay, it has artificial intelligence already integrated inside it. Okay, so you will be getting all the new AI functions instantly and get future AI functions of Microsoft Office 365 for completely free along with the masterclass. The latest AI version of Microsoft Office, which costs 7,000, approximately more than 7,000 rupees every single year. You will be not getting it for 1 year or 2 years. You will be getting it for 5 years, basically 60 months in total, 7,000 every year. So saving you 35,000 rupees in total just with the help of Microsoft Office 365. Along with it, you'll be getting bonus number 3. What is it? It is the data interpreter and the data analytics using AI mastery. Again, guys, one of our topmost program, one of our most valuable program, the data interpreter and data analytics using AI mastery. It can, most advanced program. Let me show you something, by the way, guys. All of you would have heard about upgrade, right? All of you would have already heard about upgrade. Let me show you something. Okay, if you go to upgrade's website and search for this data science and AI program, okay, and search for the cost of this particular program, the data science using AI program, it will cost you rupees 3,25,000. Okay, 3,25,000 for this particular data science using AI program. Moreover, okay, for the data science using AI program, you will be needing a lot of Gen AI tools. They are not even providing you that. They are telling you that besides this 3,25,000, you need to spend an additional $40 on these Gen AI tools in order along with the program fee. So you will be needing to pay extra for this. We did not want to charge 3,25,000 rupees for this data science and data analytics using AI mastery, because we want to democratize the price point. That is why we kept it at a price point of just rupees 39,000, and some of you would have seen ads about it as well. But for the batch of this particular masterclass, for the first 30 members, we decided that we'll give it to you guys for completely free, not even charging you 39,000 rupees extra for this particular data analytics and data interpreter using AI. Then comes bonus number 4, which is all about learning Python right from basics to advanced. One of the other skills, besides Excel, Power BI, SQL, PowerPoint, AI, one more other skill which you should be learning, which we continuously hear from HRs, which is Python. You should be learning everything right from basics to advanced Python. And we'll be teaching you that even if you have no prior knowledge in Python, I'll be teaching you that with the help of AI. And this particular masterclass in itself, we charge rupees 12,000. We'll be giving it to you for completely free as a part of first 30 bonus. Along with it comes bonus number 5, which is the most, guys, the Job to Business Switch Mastermind. Okay, this is a mastermind, a live event which me and Kachave, like both of us, take this particular mastermind, the Job to Business Switch Mastermind. Okay, in which we teach you the complete blueprint. Like, we have successfully built a lot of businesses which, yields crores of profits. Not even talking about revenue, crores of profits every single month. And we'll be teaching you the exact blueprint on how you can start your own successful, profitable business along with your job. Like, you don't need to leave your job, continue doing your job, build your business, and start earning more from that as a parallel income to yourself. How to go about doing that? I'll be teaching you in the Job to Business Switch Mastermind, the live event, for which I charge rupees 20,000 for you, completely free. I can show you results of this as well. I have people like Ashish Kumar, who is an IT professional in this masterclass after learning everything from the Job to Business Switch Mastermind as a Power BI developer. Okay, as a Power BI developer, as a freelancer, basically, he earned an extra $116,000. Okay, $116,000 extra in 6 months as a Power BI consultant after learning everything in the masterclass. Talking about Riddhi Gupta, who used to run an offline business. She learned all the skills in the masterclass, and as a freelancer, she earned extra of $7,100 in 6 months again as an Excel consultant. Okay, she was able to do that. Harshit Singh was able to earn 34,000 rupees in 2 months. Now, guys, I know 34,000 rupees does not sound like a lot, but for a student, for a second year student, this sounded like a lot, and that is why Harshit Singh is very, very happy. Right now, he has started to earn even much more than that in one single month itself with all the skills that we have taught him. And guys, these were our students. Talking about ourselves, okay, talking about ourselves, talking about me, talking about Kachave. By the age of 27 itself, in 2023, I'll show you. Between 12th October 2023 to 10 Jan 2024, we made a total revenue of 12.81 crore across 3,25,000 payments. Talking about 16 December 2023 to 15 March 2024, we made, which is Q1 of this year, we made revenue of 16.86 crores. Now, guys, this is not to boast about myself or not to tell you that you can earn 12 crores or 16 crores, nothing like that. What it is to tell you that besides your job, whatever you're doing in your job, apart from that, there is a parallel world of consulting which you all do not even know about properly. Okay, you do not even know about. We'll be teaching you all of this in the Job to Business Switch Mastermind, via which your minds will be open on how you can work in the world of freelancing and earn such figures. That is possible with the help of Job to Business Switch Mastermind. Again, only for the first 30 people. Then comes bonus number 6, which is all about how you can use AI in order to build a personal brand for yourself. I told you why building a personal brand is so important. Also, I'll be teaching you how you can become Microsoft certified expert. This bonus, again, worth rupees 25,000, giving it to you all for completely free as a part of first 30 people. So, guys, we have over the years helped a lot of students of ours, and these students have gone ahead. Talking about Sandhya Dhole, she got a 180% salary hike in 40 days at the age of 43 after joining the masterclass. Then talking about NR Rakesh Babu, he got 425 LPA plus job offers in 2 months at the age of 27 after joining the masterclass. Then we have Aruna Ringan, who got a promotion as a VP of her company after joining the masterclass. And then we have Chandan Mishra, who was able to switch his career, at the age of 38. And now he's making 16 LPA with the help of this masterclass. In total, these people have rated as 4.9 out of the 5,000 reviews and have given us amazing video testimonials throughout, the platform. And, I'll show you guys more. Like, these people have already gone ahead and, gotten high paying jobs in companies like Amazon, Goldman Sachs, Google, Microsoft, Accenture, KPMG, Meta, Deloitte, Infosys, Emphasis, Capgemini, Sony. All of these people have been able to get high paying jobs in companies like this, which is the result of a guaranteed in-house job assistance, via which we have helped more than 262 people. Let me show you guys. This number has crossed 262 also. Talking about our video testimonials, we have been able to collect these video testimonials from our students. Like ops manager gets 37% salary hike in 4 months after joining the masterclass. Accenture database engineer 40% hike achieved through the masterclass. Talking about the people of our batch 156, which got concluded last month itself. Okay, we'll show you results from that. We have Bumtaria, who I had years of gap in my careers because of your master program. I got 19 LPA job as data analyst. Like this, I have not just one, not five, but 300 plus people out of this batch 156, which concluded last month itself. These people have been able to get amazing results from the masterclass, and given us video testimonials for the same as well. You can see these people have given us amazing video testimonials for the same as well, and I'll be expecting the same. Okay, I'll be expecting the same from you all. Once you do the masterclass and once you get results from it, I'll be expecting video testimonials from your side as well. Now, guys, at this point of time, I have given you all the details. Kachave has given you, I have given you all the details of the masterclass, which is the basic to advanced ChatGPT AI prompt engineering. This particular masterclass given you all the details, which will help you get a 40% salary hike or a high paying job than what you're earning right now, or you get 100% money back from us. Okay. So now talking about the fee, I see a lot of questions. What's the price? Please share the link. I want to register. Guys, the fee for this particular masterclass that we have kept, given the price, that you would see in platforms like Upgrade and all, we kept the price of this particular masterclass as, because we are giving you all the bonuses and everything, but we wanted to keep a democratized price. So what is the fee? The fee for the masterclass is rupees 1,70,840. Okay, 1,70,840. You get all the benefits of the masterclass. Aditya, please share link. Want to register? Share link. Share link. Guys, I see a couple of comments in the chat box. Expensive. What do you think? It's a fair fee for the masterclass or it is not fair? Type in fair if you think it's a completely fair fee, given everything that we are sharing. And if you think it is not fair, type in unfair. Not fair, fair, expensive. Share link, fair, fair, not fair, expensive, fair, fair, not fair, bit expensive, unfair, fair, no idea, expensive, unfair, fair, fair, fair. Okay, guys, whoever is saying it's expensive or it is not fair, let me ask you guys, if you think it is a lot, okay, if you think it is a lot, how much will you value getting a minimum salary hike of 40% before the end of 2024? Let's say if you're earning 10 LPA in your job right now, by the end of 2024, you start earning 14 LPA in your job. How much will you value that? Or let's say if you're earning 50 LPA right now, if you start earning 70 LPA in your job, how much will you value that? Do you still think it is a lot? Do you still think it is a lot? No, completely fair, Aditya, no. And how much will you value getting a high paying job above, how much will you value getting a high paying job above 15 LPA at top MNCs before the end of 2024? Let's say if you are earning less than that right now, basically whatever you are earning, you start earning more than that. We give you a guarantee. Start earning more than whatever you are earning, or get a 40% salary hike, or get your money back, absolutely money back. Okay. Or how much will you value getting the time freedom and money freedom in your life? Like, being able to do hours of your work in just a matter of minutes, so that you can spend time with your family, you can spend time to yourself, you can do whatever you want with the help of that extra time. How much will you value that? Fair, right? Fair, fair. That is why, guys, we have kept the fee as rupees 1,70,840. But I have something special for you all. This is the fee for my people, for my students who are attending from the US, from the UK, from the UAE, from Australia, basically people outside India. For the people who are attending this particular masterclass completely live from India, okay, I have a special offer for you all. Okay, I have an absolutely crazy offer for you all. Can I get a big crazy in the chat box if you want a really crazy offer from me that will completely blow your mind? Crazy. Wow, guys, superb. 10x crazy. I see amazing energy out there in the chat box. So for you guys who are attending this particular workshop completely live, the crazy offer for you all is not going to be rupees 1,70,840. It's going to be the limited offer for you all. It's going to be rupees 12,200 only. Yes, guys, in just rupees 12,200 plus GST, you get all the content of the masterclass. My team member has shared the payment link out there in the chat box. You can go ahead and register. Once you register, type in a done in the chat box so that I know you are among the first 30 and a part of the first 30, like my super 30 students. Okay, in this fee of rupees 12,200 plus GST, you will be getting the entire 19 lifetime learnings of the masterclass, basically the basic to advanced ChatGPT, basic to advanced artificial intelligence, basic to advanced prompt engineering, basic to advanced Power BI, basic to advanced structured query language, basic to advanced Excel, basic to advanced Tableau, basic to advanced PowerPoint masterclass. All of this in just one single masterclass. Along with it, you will be getting the premium GPT Plus subscription for 2 years, worth rupees 39,840. You will be getting the AI-enabled Microsoft Office 365 for 5 years worth rupees 35,000. You'll be getting the data analytics and data science using AI mastery worth rupees 39,000. You'll be getting the certified Python mastery worth rupees 12,000. You'll be getting the personal brand building masterclass worth rupees 25,000. You'll be getting the job to business switch mastermind worth rupees 20,000. But guys, this is only and only for the first 30 registrations, because I want to help these 30 people completely in getting high paying jobs and everything. So I'll be taking a batch of first 30 people. So once you register, go ahead and type in a done so that I know that you are done and a part of first 30. In fact, I have a special, even a crazier bonus for you all. What is the crazy bonus? That instead of paying rupees 12,200, you can go ahead with 2 no-cost installment. Yes, guys, absolutely interest free, no-cost installment, 2 no-cost installments of rupees 6,100 as well in order to register for the masterclass, and you'll be getting all the benefits of the masterclass. Absolutely all the benefits you'll be getting, even if you are going ahead with the no-cost installment. So you can either pay rupees 12,200 plus GST or rupees 6,100 plus GST and be a part of first 30 people who get to be a part of my super 30 people of this particular masterclass. So I see a lot of people who have already registered in the chat box. That is superb, guys. Shubham Sharma, congratulations. Welcome to the masterclass. Tanmay Sarkar, congratulations. Welcome to the masterclass. Ishita Tiwari, congratulations. Welcome to the masterclass. Rohan Sahu, congratulations. Welcome to the masterclass. Saurabh Nirmalkar, congratulations. Welcome to the masterclass. Ashutosh Singh, congratulations. Welcome to the masterclass. Shreya Mishra, congratulations. Welcome to the masterclass. Akhil Tomar, congratulations. Welcome to the masterclass. Vishal Mugli, congratulations. Welcome to the masterclass. Bharat Gowda, congratulations. Welcome to the masterclass. Anand Singh, congratulations. Welcome to the masterclass. Mihir Hirpara says Super 30. Have you registered, Mihir? I'm not sure.
I want also, so you can go ahead and register, right? Once the 30 slots are done, I won't be able to give it to anyone. All right. Because the bonuses and the things that we are providing, it is much more than 30,000, right? So that's why we want to make sure only first 30 people are going to get this. Okay. So congratulations, welcome to the masterclass.
Yes.
All right.
I want also, Dipti, you can go ahead and register for the masterclass. Bhaskar says unable to register. That shouldn't be the case. Bhaskar, if you are facing any issue in the payment links, you can go ahead and use these QR codes as well. Okay, I have shown QR codes, guys. Hope you all are being able to see it. If you want to register with the full payment amount of rupees 12,200, you can use the above QR. If you want to go ahead with the no cost EMI option of rupees 6,100, you can use the below QR in order to make the payment. It will work in any of your Phone Pay, Paytm, any of these platforms. You'll be able to scan and make the payment. Amit Datta, congratulations. Welcome to the masterclass. I want to register. You can go ahead and register for the same. Guys, I'm seeing so many duns out there in the chat box. Let me confirm the exact number. Exact number right now, guys, is 14. Okay, 14 people have already registered their seats in the masterclass. Okay, last 16 people remaining. So if you are someone who wants to register, only 16 more slots remaining. Within 3 to 4 minutes, we have already gotten 14 people. I'm seeing a lot of duns. I'm not being able to take everyone's name. Don't worry about it, guys. All the 14 people you would have already received a confirmation from our team. Arya Kumar,
will I get GST rebate? Will I get GST? Absolutely, guys. We pay GST to the government. So whatever, 12,200 plus taxes, which is the GST. If you have GST number, you are going to get GST invoice from outside. So you can get that GST rebate. Okay.
Yes.
How much content is available? All the content which we just mentioned, all the 19 masterclass learnings. On top of that, whatever bonuses we have mentioned, along with GPT plus 4, which is API-based GPT-4. On top of that, Office 365. On top of that, all the extra bonuses, you are going to get access to everything. All right. Can I register right now? Absolutely. Before 30 slots are over, my links will be working. After that, you won't be able to pay. Okay.
Done. Congratulations. I see 2 more done. So guys, 16 slots gone. 14 more slots remaining. 14 more slots remaining for the masterclass.
Yogesh Patel says, can I do registration tomorrow? Yogesh, I think there won't be any slots tomorrow. If all the slots are gone today, my hands will be tied. I won't be able to enroll you tomorrow. Okay.
Can I register with no cost installment? Yes, you can go ahead and register with no cost installment. You won't need to pay any additional interest or anything like that.
Okay, certificates will be there. Absolutely. You are going to get 19 certifications. Not only you, but your family members also are going to get 19 certifications. So you are not going to get 1 access. You are going to get 8 accesses, which you can share with your family members, and they are going to get their own separate certification. How much daily time is required? So you need to spend 40 minutes of your time on daily basis in order to get results, right? After 45 minutes live class, do not worry if you miss any kind of live class. Our goal is not to teach you. Our goal is to get you achieve the results. So that's why if you miss any live class, you are going to get recording of that live class as well. So you do not need to worry about that. Okay. Payment link is failing, guys. If your payment link is failing, what I'll do, you can use these QR codes, or I'm asking my team member to share alternative payment links. So if the previous one is not working for you, you can use the alternative payment link as well. Alright, so what do you difference between full payment and partial payment? So basically, if you want to register and if you're not able to pay 20,200 rupees, you can book your seat by paying just 6,100 and you can be part of first 30 participants. Okay.
Can a school student join it? Guys, this particular masterclass has been specifically made for working professionals. But if you're a school student as well, you can join it. Like, see, this particular masterclass is irrespective of age, but specifically made for working professionals itself. You could be in your 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s. This particular masterclass will be super, super helpful to you, to your family as well. Will my family members get separate certificates? Absolutely. They'll be getting separate certificates. They'll be getting separate Microsoft Office 365 and GPT as well. Yes.
Pravas has done, congratulations, Pravas, welcome to the clan. Ashwin has done, Ashwin, congratulations, welcome to the clan. Deepali has done, Aditya, why aren't you taking my name? Folks, so I'm sorry, like I see lot many messages, so that's why if I have missed your name, my apologies. You guys are like already a part of the clan. Like after 30 payments, the links will be closed. Okay.
Guys, right now we have 21 slots gone, 9 more, last 9 slots remaining. If you're someone who wants to register, last 9 slots remaining.
Okay. Aditya, I'm student. Okay. So Aditya, can you? Hi, sirs. I am your earlier masterclass member. And
guys, I have I was just reading that particular message itself from Rukshar. Guys, let me just show. I wanted to show you a screenshot of this. Okay, let me just show you a screenshot of this thing. Just hold on a second. I'll show you a screenshot of this. Okay, so I'll open a new docs. Okay, let me show you the screenshot. Okay, I have this. I'm taking the first screenshot. I'll take the second one as well. Okay, guys. I hope all of you can see it right now. I have a person named Rukshar Parveen, okay, who says, "Hi, sirs, I'm your earlier masterclass member, June 2023. I was working with a low package earlier, but after joining your class, I learned a few skills, Excel and SQL, not even completed the full course. Meanwhile, I got 4 job offers and was able to get a 167% salary hike within 1.5 months. My previous package was 14.5 LPA, but now my package is 38.8 LPA. Very, very big thank you to you, sir. I'm again joining to get the AI course as it was not there when I had joined. Look, sir, I did not even know that you're going to be attending. By the way, guys, for our masterclass members, all my future workshops, all my future sessions like this is completely free of cost. Okay, and that is why Ruksha joined in today, and she got it because the AI course was not there. So, like, this is what Ruksha was able to achieve with the help of this masterclass. Superb, Ruksha. I'm super glad. I'm super proud of you, what you have been able to achieve, and I'm glad you will, you have taken the decision of going with this particular masterclass as well, where you will be learning AI and be able to grow further in your career as well.
Can I register? Absolutely. 24 slots are gone. So you can register if you are thinking about this. Register right now. 6 slots are remaining. Okay.
I have registered. Congratulations. Welcome. I'm seeing unable to make payment. Guys, we have already shared alternative payment link with you all. You can use this alternative payment link in order to make the payment as well. Guys, I already, I saw a couple of questions already there. I was not able to take those questions. Ki, sir, will you help in, creating resumes? Will you help in our interviews and all as well? Guys, how many of you over here want our help in your resumes and interviews as well? How many of you want help in that as well? Me. I want Aditya. Me. Guys, what I'm doing, okay, so this was already planned, but since a lot of you already asked for it, okay, for the first 30 people, okay, for these first 30 people, you won't be just getting these first 6 bonuses and all these 19 lifetime learnings. You will also be getting my 2 more bonuses. You will be getting the complete interview cracking masterclass, where we'll be teaching you how you can crack interviews of companies like Amazon, Microsoft, Google, Intel, Adobe, Goldman Sachs, Meta. All of these companies are also the resume building for Fortune 500 masterclass, where you'll be learning how you can, basically build resumes for top companies in order to get selected for them. Okay, both of these bonuses combined, we charge rupees 17,500 for it. You will be getting for completely free along with this masterclass. You'll be getting.
How many people can get certified? So basically 8 people, including you, 7 of your family members. Yeah, I can't pay right now, having bank issue, 12,200 later, but can I get 6,000? So, Anubhav, the special offer is for right now only, right? After that, you are not going to have access to bonuses. So, if you want to register, you can do partial payment and book your slot right now. Okay. Yogesh Sharma is done. Yogesh, congratulations. You are 28 member. 2 more slots are remaining. So, folks, if you're thinking about it,
I'm getting a lot of comments. Yeah, I'm a fresher. Will I be benefit out of this masterclass? Guys, let me show you something. I've already told you this particular masterclass will help you, irrespective of this. Let me show you something. As a fresher, of my batch 156, which concluded last month. Okay, I have Omkar Jadhav, who says that I started my career as a fresher at 16 LPA. Never believed that a non-tier 1 student can get this much. Okay, and then Omkar gave us a video testimonial for the same as well. Okay, he was able to do that. Then I have VPS Shankara. Okay, she also as a fresher joined this masterclass and got a data analyst job after this course. Thank you so much. Okay, let me show you this also. VPS Shankara. She also gave us a video testimonial. After joining this particular masterclass. So as I mentioned, this particular masterclass, irrespective, okay, irrespective of your age, irrespective of your background, this masterclass will be super helpful for you. Career gap, I already mentioned that career gap. Let me show it to you also. Okay, for career gap also, this would be super helpful. Okay, let me show you. Okay, let me see if I can reframe it. Career gap. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, see, Madhu Kapsia. I got a job after 6 years of gap. I'm glad to have been part of the Excel masterclass. Okay, after 6 years of career gap, she was able to get it. Then this person had years of gap in my career, but because of your mastery program, I got 19 LPA job as data analyst. Thank you so much. So he was able to get that as well. Okay. Will I able to get foreign jobs? Yes, we had one student. Yes, you can see over there. D Prasanna joined as a Power BI developer in ExxonMobil USA, getting paid 4x. Okay, he started getting paid 4x than his previous job offer after joining this masterclass. So guys, I have told you already, irrespective whether you are from sales background, marketing background, HR background, if you have a career gap, if you are a fresher, if you are anyone like that, this particular masterclass will help each and everyone out there.
All right.
So guys,
how many slots are remaining? 2 slots are remaining.
Guys,
absolutely.
You have two choices with you. Okay, you have two choices with you. One is to let luck decide the path of your career. Be like, I don't want to take any action about it. Let luck decide the path of your career. By the way, guys, I really want to ask this. Guys, how many of you have ever invested time in your learning? After you got your first job, have you ever invested time in upskilling yourself, in learning more? No. Tell me honestly. Don't lie. Don't lie to me. Just tell me very, very honestly that have you ever invested time in learning after you got your first job? No. Right? That is true, guys. That is a major problem. In majority of Indian working professionals, they do not upskill themselves once they get their first job. And because they do not upskill themselves, every year they either do not get any salary hike or they get a maximum salary hike of 10%. And if you're getting a salary hike of 10%, guys, 8% is inflation rate in India itself. So ultimately, you are just earning 2% more money. 2% more money every single year won't lead you anywhere. So you need to get out of that mindset that, I don't want to invest time in learning all of these. You need to invest time in learning. You need to upskill yourself. Once you upskill yourself, you will actually be able to see the kind of salary hikes like 40%, 50%, 60%. Even that is possible, but you need to upskill yourself for that. So just get out of that mindset and not let luck decide the path of your career. Take things in your control. Go for a second number choice. Take things in your control. Decide how you want your career growth to look like and not let luck decide it. This is something that you will be able to do once you, basically, once you start once you start investing in your learning. Okay, start investing your time and money in your learning, and you will be able to see that growth in your career, which you have never seen before. Okay. So guys, in this masterclass, you will be getting to learn the skills that can easily get you a 18 LPA plus in job in India without even having a fancy degree. Now in India, even if you learn this one skill of, let's say, prompt engineering, in US, you can get salaries of 2 crores. In India, you can get 17 lakhs per annum. If you learn the skill of Power BI developer, you can get salaries of 20-25 LPA. If you learn salaries, if you basically learn this skill of being a SQL developer, you can get salaries of 20 to 44 LPA, as you can see over here. Capgemini has posted a job of SQL developer worth rupees 42 lakhs. Okay, so with one just single skills, you can get such salaries. Imagine that in this masterclass, you will not be just learning one skill or two skill. You will be learning 6 different skills: the art of prompt engineering, the art of using Excel right from scratch, Excel basics to advanced, Power BI basic to advanced, PowerPoint basic to advanced, SQL basic to advanced, and in fact, you'll be learning Python basic to advanced as well. All of this without having any prior knowledge. 6 such skills in one single masterclass. Imagine the kind of impact it will have on your career. What is the kind of salaries you will be able to, you'll be able to basically negotiate with your recruiters once you, learn everything in this masterclass. So summarizing it again, for you, as you can see in your screen, you get all of this in one single masterclass, all the 19 lifetime learnings with all the bonuses in just one single masterclass itself.
Absolutely. So Kanika has this question. I'm a new mother. I left my job. Will it help me in the future? Absolutely. So Kanika, we have many people who were in your position, had career gap. They restarted their career because they are learning the skills of future. It is all about demand supply, right? So you are learning some things which have huge demand in the market, but not enough supply, right? Why? Because market haven't caught up to this, right? That's why whenever you have this latest skills, you can directly go ahead, go through the interview process, learn and implement all the skills that we are going to teach, and get that opportunity for yourself. Okay.
What happens
Will this
now?
help you in freelancing? Absolutely. So our job to business switch mastermind, which is a 4 days event, there we are going to teach you exactly how you can have your additional income source. So if you are just dependent on your job as your income in 2024, I'm sorry guys to inform you, you are just one layoff away from getting broke, right? So that's why you should have your parallel income, your side hustle income as well. So that's what we are going to teach you exactly how you can start your own side hustle and get a freelancing career as well. Start your freelancing as well. All right. I think register absolutely one slot is remaining. So people, if you are registering, thinking about registering, register right now because only one slot is remaining. Can I
What
get
happens?
details of
Oh, do
today?
we get the course via email? That is not the case. We'll be having an introductory call. Okay, we'll be having an introductory call coming Friday. Next week, coming Friday, we'll be having an introductory call where we'll be sharing you all the details about the masterclass, all the bonuses, each and every information you will be getting about the masterclass in that introductory call.
Can I get detailed notes of today? So my team will contact you and my team is going to provide you with notes. Okay.
Super.
Super. Thank you.
Super.
I
Okay.
think can I register? Absolutely. Sharing link right away.
Guys, one more question for you all. Okay, I know that a maximum of you over here are either working professionals or you might be freshers or students or someone like that. Now, I know as a working professional, when I was working in Capital One with the bit of savings, even with the 20%, 30% savings I used to do every single month, I really felt like investing in the stock market. So, but I used to always face crunch and basically all of these financial products which were out there. I always wanted to know more about it, always wanted to invest more in mutual funds and all, but never had the gyan for it, never had the learning for it. How many of you are over here like me, who never had the gyan for it, the learning for it? And how many of you are here who wants to, who is already, there in the stock market, in the mutual fund market, and, wants to grow their portfolio even further? How many of you want to make a portfolio in the stock market, in the mutual fund, and basically get all of these learnings as well, along with this masterclass itself? Come on, guys. I want the biggest yes in the chat box if you really want something like this. Me. Yes. Me. Yes. Me. Okay, guys. Super. Okay. For the first 30 people. Okay. For the first 30 people of this masterclass, you won't be just getting these 7, 8 bonuses which I've told you about. You will also be getting the all paid, okay, the all paid 3-day financial freedom accelerator program. Okay, the all paid 3-day financial freedom accelerator mastermind, which is completely live, to help you learn stock trading, to help you learn about stock market investing, to help you learn how to use your credit cards, to help you learn about mutual funds, basically managing your wealth in general and growing your portfolio further. Okay, you will be able to learn all of this in this particular program. And this particular program, we'll be there. Of course, Kachave, I'll be there. But along with us, there would be a person who has previously worked in a hedge fund. Okay, a hedge fund manager would be there who has managed hundreds of crores of wealth. Okay, that person would be there in this particular program teaching you how to grow your wealth. How many of you are absolutely mind blown that this particular financial freedom accelerator will also be a part of your masterclass, which is worth rupees 20,000 for completely free? Okay, you can get this as well for completely free in this particular program itself. How many
Am I
slots?
going to get access to bonuses? So folks, we are going to have an introductory call Friday. In that introductory call, we'll be explaining you how you can get access to your bonuses, your program, and everything. How many slots are remaining? Only one slot is remaining. If you are thinking about taking action, take action right now. I'm facing bank failure. So if you are facing bank failure, I have given alternative links as well. You can try on that. Okay.
Okay.
What about today's class bonuses? So folks, whoever has attended today's class, so you are going to get bonuses in your WhatsApp group. Okay. What about certification? So folks, like tomorrow you are going to get one form. In that form, fill out that form carefully. Once you fill out that form, you are going to get certification for the workshop. Okay.
Okay, guys. So summarizing each and everything for you, what are the things that you'll be getting in the masterclass? You will be getting the Chat GPT and AI Mastery, which is worth rupees 12,000. You'll be getting the Prompt Engineering Mastery, worth rupees 15,000. You'll be getting the Basic to Advanced Excel, which is worth rupees 8,000. The Basic to Advanced Power BI, worth rupees 15,000. Basic to Advanced PowerPoint Mastery, worth rupees 5,000. Basic to Advanced Structured Query Language Mastery, worth rupees 8,000. The Premium GPT Plus subscription, which is connected to the internet for 2 years, worth rupees 39,840. You'll be getting the AI-enabled Microsoft Office 365 for 5 years, worth rupees 35,000. The data analytics and data science using AI mastery, worth rupees 39,000. The certified Python mastery, right from basics till advanced, no prior knowledge required, worth rupees 12,000. The personal brand building masterclass, worth rupees 25,000. The all live 4-day job to business switch mastermind, worth rupees 20,000. Interview and resume cracking masterclass, worth rupees 17,500. The financial freedom accelerator mastermind, the 3-day live event, worth rupees 20,000. And 52 weeks of mentorship, which would be completely priceless. So the price of all of this, the value of all of this comes out to be rupees 2,71,340. But I'm not going to be charging you that. We are just going to be charging you either rupees 12,200 or 2 no-cost installment of rupees 6,100, where you can pay the first no-cost installment right now. And the second no-cost installment, you can pay within the next 7 days. Okay. Within the next 7 days, at any given point of time, you can go ahead and make the payment of the remaining 6,100 as well.
Surendra says done. So folks, 30 slots are over. How great is that? Congratulations, Surendra. Folks, if I haven't taken your name, congratulations, you are already part of the clan. By the way, folks, who is thinking about registering? Let me know. Drop in me in the chat box if you are thinking about registering. Me. Wow.
I'm seeing a lot of payment failure messages. Ki my payment is not going through, payment failed. Me.
Wow. So folks, I'm seeing like more than 15 folks who want to register. So I'm adding 5 more slots. That's it, right? I'm adding 5 more slots with this. So that's it. After that is done, I'm going to just shut down the links. Okay.
So guys, I'm seeing a lot of requests of more no-cost installment instead of, 2 no-cost installment. Is there anyone who wants more than 2 no-cost installments? Do you want more than 2 no-cost installment? Me. Okay, guys, I'll show you how you can use the more than 2 no-cost installment as well. Simply click on the full payment link. Okay, click on the full payment link option. Once you click over here, you will need to fill in your details. Okay, fill in your details and add your bank mobile number. Okay, bank registered mobile number, just fill in over here. Okay, so just fill in your details, add your bank registered mobile number. Okay, once you do that, you will have an option of pay over here. Simply click on pay. Once you click on pay, okay, once you click on pay, okay, like Nazneen is saying, give more time to pay the second installment. So that is what I'm explaining, guys. If you want to, pay with more no-cost installment, like if you want more time for the same, what you can do, you can go over here. Once you go over here, you get an option of EMI. Can everyone see this EMI option over here? Can everyone see this EMI option over here? Yes. Now simply click on this EMI option. Once you click on this EMI option, you can see multiple options. Okay, you can use this cardless and other EMI option as well. You can use debit card also, but in debit card, there are limited, like HDFC Bank is providing. So you have limited offers in debit card. But if you go to credit card, okay, once you go to credit card, you will find more no-cost installment options over here. Okay, you can click over here. I'll try to waive off, like, in your links, I'll try to make this 0% for you in your links also. But, you can see, like, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, 18 months, 24 months EMI options you will be getting. So even if you want to go ahead with that, you can do that, guys. And you will need to pay as low as 700 rupees every single month. Just 700 rupees every single month. In fact, I'll try to waive off this particular interest fee for you all as well. Okay, so basically the point being, if you really have the will to learn, you will be able to learn without thinking a lot about it. You can take options of 24 months no cost installment option as well, where you just need to pay 600 700 rupees every single month, and you'll be able to get all the learnings from this masterclass. So if you're someone who really wants to learn, you will find a way. You won't find excuses. Okay.
Gordon said payment and congratulations, Gordon. Prachi said payment and congratulations. So, folks, 3 more slots. Like people who said, like, I want to register, you have only opportunity in 3 more slots. And once these 3 slots are done, like, I'm just closing this batch, okay?
Okay, guys, whoever is still facing payment issue, I'm seeing a lot of payment issue messages out there in the chat box. And so let me do something. What I'll do, I'll ask my team members. Okay, I'll ask my team members. So I told you that my team members, whoever is there in the workshop, they'll be getting calls from our team members for the notes of the session. Correct? I told you that my team members will call you and give you notes of the session. So along with those notes of the session, if you were facing any sort of payment issue, okay, if you have been facing any sort of payment issue, your payment is getting failed or the link is not working for you, or you are someone who wants more advice, who wants more suggestion, like who wants to clarify their doubts further for the masterclass, what I do, you can take help from our team members for the same. Team members will reach out to you for the notes of the session. Along with it, if you want any help for registering the session, if you want to clarify your doubts, want more information about it, or if you want to go ahead with, basically, if you are facing any payment issue, you can take their help in order to make the payment for the masterclass and book your seat, in the masterclass. Okay, guys. So now talking about your certificates and bonuses. Today, guys, we attended the workshop, correct? About the bonus workshop and about the workshop bonuses and certificates. Today, we had the workshop. Today, you will also be getting the bonuses on your WhatsApp group. Okay, on your WhatsApp group, check today, you'll be getting the bonuses worth rupees 10,500 for completely free. In fact, I'll request my team member to share the bonus link with you all as well in the chat box as well. Okay, so you are getting the bonus link in the chat box and the bonus link in the WhatsApp group as well.
All right. I paid first installment. When can I complete rest of the payment? So, folks, like within a week, complete your second installment. Okay.
You pay it within a week, or let's say if you want more time for it, what you can do, you can use the no cost installment option within the second payment link. Okay, that will buy you more time. So you can do that process within the next 7 days. Duration for the masterclass, it's a complete lifetime access to the masterclass that you'll be getting. If you're asking the average duration you need to complete it, averagely our students complete it in 2 months itself. Okay, so today you'll be getting the bonuses on WhatsApp group. My team member will be sharing the bonus link in the WhatsApp group as well, in the chat box as well, Zoom chat as well. Along with it, talking about the certificates. Okay, tomorrow you will be getting a certificate form in the WhatsApp group. Okay, tomorrow you'll be getting a certificate form in the WhatsApp group. You need to fill that certificate form completely. Once you do that, we'll take 24 hours of time. Okay, we'll take 24 hours of time, and day after tomorrow, we'll be sharing you the certificates on the WhatsApp group. Is it clear to each and everyone talking about the bonuses and certificates for this particular workshop? Clear to each and everyone? I can't afford 12. Can I get it at lower price? You can use the no cost installment. We cannot give it for cheaper. I'm sorry. This is the lowest price. If you go to Upgrade or any other website, they'll charge you lakhs, guys, lakhs for such sort of content. And that is just data science and AI. And we are giving you this particular sort of a program as a bonus to you all. Okay, so can't give it for lesser, but you can use the no cost installment option in order to make the payment at a lower cost. Okay, so clear? Perfect. Now for people, there might be people who, like, at the time of registration, you would have paid a certain additional amount, around 200 rupees or so as to get those additional templates. How many of you paid for those additional templates? Yes, exactly answering your question, Shannon. You paid for those additional templates, right, while registering for the workshop? Yes, me. Okay, guys. Whoever paid for that, for all of you who paid for that, you will be getting those additional templates in your personal WhatsApp. Okay, not in the WhatsApp group. In your personal WhatsApp, you will be getting it by the end of the day. Okay, by the end of the day or by tomorrow, you will be getting it in your personal WhatsApp. Clear to each and everyone? Yes, you'll be getting it by the end of the day in your personal WhatsApp. Clear to each and everyone?
All right. I want to register now. So you can register for the master program, but if you want this template, these are not available now, right? This was one-time offer which you got while registering. Similarly, whatever offer you are getting, that is also one-time offer. Once we are done, like you won't be having access to that offer as well, right?
Okay,
Having
guys.
that, congratulations, Divya.
Okay, guys. Now, one genuine piece of advice from our side to you all, like irrespective of anything, you joining masterclass, not joining, one serious piece of advice from our side to each and everyone present over there, guys. Wealth always migrates from deniers of technology to deployers of technology. Okay, don't be a person. Okay, don't be a person who is always a denier of technology. कि मुझे AI नहीं सीखना, I don't want to use Power BI, I don't want to use Excel, I'll be able to do it in manually, etc., etc. Never be a denier of technology. Always be a deployer of technology, because wealth will always migrate towards deployer of technology. Okay. Can I copy payment link and send to my sister? Yes, you can of course do that. See guys, that is completely up to you. You will be able to go ahead and make the registration. The seats are open for you right now. Okay. Now guys, both me and Kachavi follow this journalist very, very well. Like her name is Palki Upadhyay, and she made this very beautiful video about AI, which I really want to share with you all. If I have the permission, can I just play it? Like it will take 5 minutes or so. Can I just play this video for 5 minutes if I have permission from you all? Sure. Beautiful video about AI. So I wanted to share it with you all. Okay. So playing it, guys, tell me whether you all can hear it.
With every AI leap comes the same question.
Can I hear it?
Will it take over our jobs?
Yes. Okay. Done.
This time, the chief of the International Monetary Fund has weighed in, and she says yes, AI will affect the job market. In fact, she painted a more worrying picture. The IMF chief said AI will hit the job market like a tsunami. Interesting choice of words. A tsunami destroys everything. It wipes out buildings and people. Is that what AI will do to the job market? Well, the IMF chief had some numbers. In the next 2 years, AI could affect 60% jobs in the developed world and overall 40% worldwide. Now, these numbers are worrying, not just because of how high they are, but also because of the time frame, 2 years. It's hardly any time in the job market. So we need to prepare fast. Listen to what the IMF chief has said. I'm quoting, "We have very little time to get people and businesses ready for it. AI can boost how much we produce and make things more efficient, but it also might increase false information and make income gaps wider." That's what she said. There are 3 points or takeaways from this. First of all, it's not all bad. The IMF says 60% jobs will be affected, but affected does not mean replaced. In half of these cases, AI will improve your productivity. It will make your job easier. And not to mention, create new jobs. The AI revolution will generate over 97 million new jobs, which brings us to the second takeaway. Yes, some jobs will be lost. Goldman Sachs made a prediction last year. They think that AI will replace 300 million full-time jobs. You can guess some of them, like coding. Top AI models can write complicated codes. They're also much faster than humans. Another example is customer service, like call centers or chat support. The new AI models can hold a conversation, so they can definitely troubleshoot your problems. Again, much faster than humans. The CEO of TCS has a dire warning. He says AI could kill Indian call centers in a year. Same with tutors. ChatGPT released a demo yesterday. It showed the AI model teaching mathematics. You can ask questions, you can draw diagrams and figures, even make question papers. A lot of teachers already use ChatGPT. A professor in Virginia actively encourages her students to do that. She says ChatGPT can be a persona, a debate partner for some, a job recruiter for others. So right now, AI is making teachers more productive, but how long before it takes over the job or diminishes it? And that's the third point. AI could increase inequality. Let me explain how. Consider the coding example. Before AI, you needed humans to write the whole thing. But now ChatGPT can do it. You just need the human to verify it. You see the problem here. Coding pays a lot of money, but verifying does not. So AI could drastically reduce wages in some jobs. It can eventually widen the wage gap. And this applies even to countries. Wealthier countries will adapt to AI more quickly. They will have more money. They do have more money, so they can invest a lot more in AI. But poorer countries cannot do that. And this may lead to a technology and wage gap. So to recap, there are 3 factors at play. Some new jobs being created, a lot of jobs being lost, and a new trigger for financial inequality. Broadly, this is how artificial intelligence will affect the job market. The question is, how can you prepare for it? Well, time is of the essence. AI is moving much faster than expected. So if you're already in the job market, your brief is quite simple. Start using AI tools. Find some way to integrate it. Use it to gain an edge over your peers. But what if you're not in the workforce yet? Then put your thinking cap on. We said that AI will create 97 million new jobs. Find out what they are. The World Economic Forum has listed a few examples like AI trainers, people who make and design these models, or data curators, people who gather data to train these models, or ethics officers, people who act as a moral compass for AI models, or even AI content creators, people who explain how everything works. These are all new and emerging jobs. The key is to find and prepare for them. And like I said, do it fast. ChatGPT came out in late 2022. We thought that was revolutionary. But in less than 2 years, it has gone further ahead. They can identify items in your surroundings, do your shopping for you, conduct interviews for you, even tutor your children. So imagine what the next generation will be like. I guess the IMF chief's assessment is quite accurate. AI is like a tsunami heading for the job market. We've got the warning. We can see the big waves. It's now time to prepare for it.
Guys, how did you all like this video? Like, I find this to be a super piece of information, like, how Palki laid out everything which is happening in the AI driven world. Like, I found it to be very, very interesting. And that is why I wanted to share it with everyone. How did you all like this video? How, like, did it, clear more doubts, like, how AI is actually coming for the job market and, how you can upskill yourself in order to beat this AI revolution and be ahead of it. Eye-opening, 10x video, wonderful link, wonderful video, superb, awesome, eye-opening, superb, guys, superb. Love it that you all liked it. Payment getting failed, guys. If your payment is getting failed, as I mentioned, like, there might be some issue, but, just take help from our team members. Okay. Take help from our team members. Our team members will call you, sharing you notes of the session. You can take their help in order to make, like, let's say if you have any doubts, if your payment is getting failed, more than that, you can get all of these things sorted from them and they'll help you in the process. All right. Done. Chalo. Okay. Okay, guys. So all of this you'll be getting in the masterclass, as I mentioned, for 12,200 or 6,100 into 2. First one right now, second no cost installment within the next 7 days. If you want to take more time, you can use the no cost EMI option. Okay, I showed you how you can use the no cost EMI option as well in order to make the payment. Okay, or you can scan as well, as you can see on the right hand side of your screen. So that's it, guys. Before parting, how did you all like the workshop? On a scale of 1 to 10, what do you think? How was the workshop? How was the workshop for you all? 10, 10, 10 and a half, 10, 10, 10, 10, 9.99, 10, 100, 10 to the power 10, 10, 10, 11, 10. Okay, superb, guys. I see, a lot of you, liking the workshop. I'm super glad that we were able to add a lot of information. Guys, before parting, one more tool which I had to tell you for, talking, if you want to talk to Elon Musk or any of these special characters. Do you all remember that? Do you all remember that? Yes. So the name of that particular tool is character.ai. Okay, it is character.ai. Okay, you can use this tool. I'll just show it to you. You can use this particular tool. I'm sharing the link with you guys in the chat box as well. You can use this particular tool in order to talk to any famous personality with the help of AI. Okay, so that is the use of this particular tool. You can use that. Okay, now talking about the workshop, guys, it is because of you all that, we have been able to, like survive in the market. We are completely bootstrapped and everything. So we'll request you all, my team member will, later on, they'll share you a feedback link in the chat box. If you all can take a couple of minutes in order to fill feedback about us, it would mean the world to us. Okay, so just take out a couple of minutes. It would be really, really helpful. That's it, guys. Thank you. Okay, thank you so much for attending. I hope this this 9 rupees workshop, like this very low value works, low priced workshop, was able to add a lot of value to you, to your career. I can tell you this particular masterclass, the basic to advanced ChatGPT, AI, prompt engineering, MS Excel, Power BI, SQL, Tableau, PowerPoint, interview, resume, cracking masterclass will be even better for you. It will be super for your career. So see you all in that particular masterclass. My team member has shared the the workshop feedback link in the chat box. If you all can just take out 2 minutes of your time and give us feedback, that would be very, very helpful. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you all so much. If once you type in the feedback, please type in a done so that we know that you are done with the feedback as well. Okay, thank you so much for attending. I will see you all in the masterclass, whoever has registered, and my team members will call off you, sharing the detailed notes of this particular workshop, and any further help you need from them, they'll be able to help with that as well. Okay, chalo, done.
Thanks a lot, folks. Thanks a lot. Have a great one. Bye.
Okay, guys, bye bye.